2025 CX-80 from Mazda is a brand new flagship vehicle aimed at taking on well-known premium manufacturers in the European market. As part of its commitment to a multi-solution approach to sustainable mobility, the company has created three distinct product lines. Its EV models, which are supported by Mazda's SkyActiv EV scalable architecture. Its small product group, which is based on its transverse layout SkyActiv multi-solution scalable architecture, and its large product group, which has its longitudinal layout SkyActiv multi-solution scalable architecture, the second of two new vehicles from the company's large product group for the European market. The CX-80 is the most roomy vehicle in Mazda's European lineup and comes with 3 rows of seating. The all-new Mazda CX-80, made in Japan, blends cutting-edge style, exceptional onboard accommodation versatility, top-notch technology, and legendary driving performance. The Mazda CX-80 SUV is a high-end vehicle that keeps the elegant style of all Mazda SUVs, while highlighting the premium quality spaciousness of the 3-row seating arrangement. A jewel-like, 3-dimensional effect is produced by the side glazing and chrome moldings of the expanded side windows, highlighting the front-engine, rear-wheel drive architecture with its commanding face and broad snout. The 3-tier cabin's length is reinforced even more by the inclusion of smoothly fitted roof rails. An elegant and cleaner appearance is achieved by hiding the exhaust garnish behind the bumper, which reinforces the rear of the Mazda CX-80. The CX-80 has 9 body colors to choose from, including jet black, deep crystal blue, platinum quartz, arctic white, rhodium white, machine gray, soul red crystal, artisan red, and melting copper. The front of the car has vertical fins and high-gloss black accents, giving it a strong stance. LED lights are standard. The customers can choose Matrix, LED, or higher trims for an even fancier setup. The CX-80 is no lightweight, ready to take on big names like the BMW X5. It seats 5 people in Europe, but it's known as the CX-90 in North America. With 7 seats in the 90 and 80 variants and 5 in the 60 and 70, the CX-80 is noticeably longer than the other models. To distinguish the trims, the lowest trim, Exclusive, chooses matte black plastic cladding and matte wheel arches. The plush Mazda CX-80 sedan provides a cozy living room feel with its plush seats, elegant wood details, and optional leather upholstery. For extended road excursions, there is plenty of legroom in the roomy interior. The interior's width and spaciousness are further enhanced by the large instrument panel and side air vents. The extra-thick console conveys structural strength and the presence of the powertrain arrangement with its strong design. For added comfort, the rear console has heater controls and USB ports. The centuries-old Japanese knot-tying technique served as inspiration for 2 Japanese design elements that were incorporated into the interior: hako, broken rhythm, and keichi, harmony. The cabin expresses the Japanese aesthetic of beauty of tone by fusing light and nature to create a luxurious setting. The color and texture of the inside finishes are emphasized by the white ambient lighting on the front and rear door trim, with dimensions of 4,995 mm in length, 1,890 mm in width, 1,710 mm in height, and a 3,120 mm wheelbase. The CX-80 is designed to be easily maneuvered in everyday driving and parking scenarios. Compared to the CX-60, it is 250 mm longer and 24 mm higher, with a 5.8-meter turning radius. 3 different second-row seating arrangements are available for the CX-80. A 3-person bench seat, 2 captain's chairs divided by a walk-through area, or 2 captain's seats with a central console. The second-row bench may be fully adjusted to recline the seat anywhere from 15 to 33 degrees, with a sliding range of 120 mm. Third-row seating accommodates occupants up to 1,700 mm in height. The load space capacity, including underfloor storage, is 258 liters with 3 row seats in place. When the second row is folded flat, this increases to 1,221 liters, while the final row folded flat yields 687 liters, and the ceiling holds 1,971 liters. In order to facilitate loading, the height differential between the load space floor at the bottom of the tailgate ledge has been reduced. Additionally, the wall's imperfections have been eliminated to provide a more streamlined cargo bay design. Another available feature for the brand new Mazda CX-80 is a hands-free motorized tailgate. Users can open and close the tailgate with both hands full thanks to a sensor located beneath the back bumper. The interior lighting is ambient lighting, which creates a high-end feel. A thin path of luminescence is produced by the foot lamps and door trim center lamps, and LED illumination has been incorporated into the console, glove box, and door courtesy lamps. Having two load-space lamps increases usability and visibility at night. A panoramic sunroof that spans 950 mm in width and 1021 mm in length and has an electric slide and tilt mechanism may be added to the Mazda CX-80 to provide an expansive view and a feeling of light and airiness inside the interior. To lighten the load and provide side impact protection, the sunroof sides are strengthened in the space between the B-pillars. Sunshades on the back doors of a Mazda are integrated for the very initial time in Europe. The large touchscreen on the elegant dashboard can accommodate all of your infotainment needs. You can connect your phone to it for seamless integration, and it's quite simple to use. In addition, you have digital equipment that display all of your pertinent data quickly. Being environmentally conscious is another of Mazda's passions. There were no animals hurt in the production of this SUV because the seats are constructed of synthetic leather. You're in luck if you prefer manual controls as well. They have those as well, providing you with that nostalgic feeling. Convenience and comfort are the main design priorities within the CX-80. It's a comfortable area that's ideal for exploring the city or going on long drives. All things considered, it's a winner with a trunk that's adaptable and simple to use. Mazda's multi-solution approach is embodied in the CX-80, a car that offers a variety of electrified powertrain options to meet both local market demands and societal shifts toward sustainability. For its longitudinal power units, the CX-80 uses Mazda's SkyActiv multi-solution scalable architecture, which enables the mounting of motors and batteries in various sizes in the same arrangement for both PHEV and Mazda M hybrid boost models. Two engines are available in the CX-80 powertrain lineup: a straight-six 3.3-liter SkyActiv D diesel engine with Mazda's 48V mild hybrid system, and a PHEV with a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder SkyActiv G petrol unit with electrification technology. An 8-speed automatic transmission and Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system are paired with both engines. 4 drive modes are available with Mazda Intelligent Drive Select, MyDrive, including EV mode for plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. With a maximum power output of 141 kilowatts at 6,000 rep and 261 Nm of torque, the 2.5-liter SKYACTIV PHEV combines a SkyActiv G 2.5 4-cylinder direct injection petrol engine with a sizable 129 kilowatts electric motor and a 355V 17.8 kilowatt-hours high-capacity lithium-ion battery. With a WLTP combined fuel consumption of approximately 1.6 L/100 kilometers and WLTP combined CO2 emissions of only 36 grams/km, the PHEV has excellent environmental credentials. The Mazda CX-80 offers a comfortable driving experience with its 45mm rake steering wheel and 70mm reach adjustment range, and seats designed to reduce head swaying. Its reduced invisible area allows drivers to perceive the car's size and position more easily. The driver personalization system, introduced in the CX-60, includes ingress/egress assistance, automated setting restoration, and automatic driving position guidance, allowing up to 6 users to store their settings.